10 benefits of meditation. 1. Take a break. By practicing meditation, you can step back, center yourself, take things slowly, become less reactive. This translates to wiser choices, more mindful living, fewer disappointments, and better quality sleep at night. 2. Connecting with the field, the space around and in you. Through meditation, you can put some distance between yourself and your memories, feelings, and thoughts. More wisdom, perspective, and clarity result from this. You're more resilient and less responsive to social pressure. 3. Letting go. With meditation, you can relax your body's tensions, let go of upsetting memories, and stop thinking about things over and over again. You live more and think less and worry less. 4. Peace. Meditation is a quick way to feel at ease, calm, and at peace with yourself. Even when the world around you is chaotic and unpredictable. This also leads to increased confidence. 5. Control. You can better manage your thoughts and emotions after practicing meditation. This includes the capacity to resist being swept away by negativity, feel more in control, and maintain concentration on your objectives. 6. Contentment. Serotonin and endorphin levels are naturally raised by meditation, which improves your mood. You'll experience happiness for no reason, joy, and gratitude more frequently in the here and now. You'll also have a tendency to be more positive. 7. Connection. By practicing meditation, you can become a better listener, connect with others more profoundly. You'll experience less loneliness. Your capacity to appreciate others and yourself grows. 8. Excellence. Through meditation, you develop self-control, self-discipline, and willpower. Imagine having complete control over how you want to feel, think and behave every single day. 9. Freedom. Through meditation, you realize a liberated, fearless, and undisturbed condition of existence. You won't be moved by anything or anyone. 10. Higher consciousness. By practicing meditation, you can live a life that is more spiritual, more purposeful, and in line with higher values. It helps you become more aware of yourself and take appropriate action. If you want to know more about meditation, you can visit the link below in the description.